the silos. The steeples. And that's where we're hunting. One of the spots anyway. Had a herd of 24 here today. Bunch of deer. Little buck I just let go. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. There's my little sprinkler. I used to go sit up there all the time the first few years. Right there. I let a spike bull go there. I let a cow go there. They came up to me, but I just couldn't get a good shot. Let them go. Thought maybe we'll get an opportunity this year. You never know. Get my first elk. It's tough with a bow. Well, that didn't quite work out the way I had figured, but still fun all in all, right? You get to see a big herd like that. There was actually two herds. It's probably one herd, but they were split up into the field over there. That field. And this field. And then they got back together, and we had 24 of them together in total. I think there might have been even a few more, but I counted 24 heads for sure. There was like 4 little bulls for sure, and then a schwack of cows and calves. Saw a little buck, a few other deer. It was fun. Heck of a start to the third morning. Lance's birthday. Maybe he's got something down. Let's go give her a shot and we'll keep trying. Still got 6 days left, so let's give it effort here, okay? Fun, fun, fun. Good times for sure. Gotta love bow hunting. Up close and personal. You gotta get close. I could have taken out schwacks of those if it was rifle hunting. Oh well, it was a lot of fun. Makes it more challenging too. Nice looking grouse. Take the one on the left, it looks like the bigger one.
The other one's a chick.
Is that what it is? It's a hen and a chick? Nailed it.
That's over. Yep, you won.
Nailed it.
Thumper! That's the new thumpers. That's a new thumper.
Looks like you hit it right in the fucking head.
I don't know, it sure dropped. First grouse of 2010 with the brand new Excalibur.
First kill.
It's a nice grouse. Nice rough grouse. First try with the thumper head. First try with the Excalibur. First grouse of 2010.
We come in here and Dad's like, there's a herd of elk right on the left side. Literally.
You guys
Big herd. He's like, okay, let me out here. I let him out there. I peel the truck down, park the truck right here, jump over the fence here, run up this ridge. He's like, they're gonna come running, and they ran all the way through this field, right here, and they ran right up onto this. Here's my rangefinder. It was first year. I just bought a bow, put the rangefinder up, and it's like within 20 yards, go put the bow up and run something. And then the whole herd of cows comes up beside me. They're running too deep like this, and they stop. I blow, and they stop.
Where was Mike?
He was still down here. He's watching it all happen. He was in the
Well, I
middle of the
wasn't
road.
watching. What happened is all the animals ran that direction, but the last cow, the lead cow, she stopped when I called. I was calling, and she stopped for some reason right at the edge of the road, and she turned around. And she ran and went back and jumped the fence first. So all the bull turned right around again, and he came back and followed her back, and then the whole herd came back again, right here in the middle of the open. I couldn't believe it. I just made a few calls, and she came all the way back again.
reacting to each other because they're so gregarious.
Yeah.
And he happened to, he went over there because that's where we figured they're going to go. And sure enough, they went right back to him. And I mean right back to him.
Literally.
I thought he was going to get run down. Because I'm standing in the middle of the open watching him run right at
Can you
him.
imagine? First day out, we're like, and we had a goat
I thought
draw.
he's got to get one.
So we get a goat draw, and I'm like, okay, let's go elk hunting out in the Kootenays. So I buy a crossbow.
Because I had
2 weeks before, and I'm
I
like,
had my
okay, I
compound
shoot.
bow
He had
then.
a bow, so we're like, okay, let's go elk hunting before we go goat hunting. Let's just see what happens.
And you got to use your bow.
So first
Yeah, I
time,
shot a mule deer right
he
here.
shot a mule deer. We hunted here every day.
there was elk everywhere here.
We hunted in
But
this strip of
fire-
trees.
So what happened to that?
It goes all the way
See the
through.
fire.
That was their walking lane all the way to the river.
Yeah, and always there's a little lake down there. You could follow down here. The turkeys would roost in the trees down here at night.
It's 19 going in a bar legal.
First bar officially.
We're documenting it.
Legally.
That's right. With Dad.
That's a Caesar. Good. 6616. Kyle, and it's open. And we're at. Oh, there he is. Here we get officially ordering his first one. Okay, well, there you got good stuff. Happy 19th. Happy 19th.
Happy 19th,
Chin
Lance.
chin. Up to many more. Could have used a little more Red Bull. That's good. Not bad, eh? That's good, eh? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, do about 20 of them and then you're in good shape by the time you get home.
It's still hitting me.
A week? Huh? In a week.